Today I'm doing the unboxing of a loaded French fry box swap with Creating with Jovi. She is hosting this for a number of us, and so we had to embellish a French fry box. Let's see, even a die cut one, or you could go get one from your favorite fast food restaurant, and then fill it with items and just embellish it and have fun with it. So we needed to have at least 10 items in the French fry box: die cuts, buttons, stickers, whatever, small flowers or beads or bows, clusters or rosettes or altered paper clips, whatever. She just was giving us ideas. And so we had to mail our outgoing box by a certain day, and today is posting day. So we were given 3 themes. You could do Shabby Chic, Day at the Beach, or Summer Fruit. And then share what I got from my partner. So we did have several different creators participating, and I'd love for you to check out what they got in their French fry box swap. So Scrapbooks and Memories and Sassy Southern NC Girl, Rhonda Foxhouse Creations, and Crafty Room Michelle Summer, and Today with Erica Faye and It's a Deal, Side Gig Crafts and Colita Creations, Fashionably 50 Something and Beyond was my partner, and then Kwai, Memo Love, and Creating with Jovi. So please check everybody out. Everyone is posting this morning at the same time. And then since it's on Crafting Therapy Day at noon, I will post how I created my French fry box. And so everybody interprets embellishing and what they include differently. And I will tell you, Lene at Fashionably 50 Something overdid herself and sent a huge box, and so it says hug in a box. So I'm taking that hug, Lene, and thanking you so much for your thoughtfulness. I hope you enjoy what I sent you too. Let's open the box and see what's inside. All right, so this is my box from Lene. I'm sure that it has way more in it than a French fry box. So, so sometimes you forget that you're awesome. So this is your reminder. Thank you, Lene. You're so sweet. So she really decorated this up a lot, and I love it, and I'm so excited. And at the same time, I hope that you like what I sent you. Okay, so let's see. She really packed it well, and she really did send a lot of stuff. She sent 2 French fry boxes. Oh my goodness, Lene, and other stuff too. Okay, so she's got a card in here, just a note. Thank you for being my partner in the loaded French fry box swap. This was so fun to put together for you. I hope you enjoy. Happy crafting. Thank you, Lene. All right, so this is one French fry box. Oh my gosh. And look how cute that tassel is with these beads. Oh my goodness. And oh, how sweet are these flowers. Okay, let's see. Oh, they're taped in. Okay. Oh, there's another French fry box. Well, we should just make some more of these. This is fun. And look how pretty. Oh my goodness. Wow. Now that was enough right there. Okay, so then she sent Culver's. So this was Wendy's, right? This is Culver's Onion Ring Ding a Ding Baby. And she, oh, look how cute. cute. I think I sent her a little keychain too. Now I'm trying to remember what all I put in it. All right. So then you got that one with these beautiful flowers. And I do use these in my kits all the time, my junk journal pages. And thank you to my puppy dogs for the earthquake on the camera. Sorry about that. Thank you, Lene. Oh my goodness. She put, oh my goodness. I'm a little bit overwhelmed right now, if you can't tell. So here is a McDonald's French fry box. I only sent you one French fry box. Look at this cute. Where did you find all this stuff? That's adorable. And then what's in this one? Oh my. Look, the little French fries. Never noticed that. And then another tassel. Oh wow. Look at these fun stickers, you guys. I love that. And some more flowers. Oh. I am in awe right now, and I don't even know what all to say. Look how pretty. Oh, I love it all. Let me push this back. Here we go. So this one also has a tassel and a little French fry keychain. I do not know where she found all this stuff. Look at this one right here. Look how cute that is. I'm gonna put that on here so I don't lose it for the moment. Have you guys ever just had no words when something has just really overwhelmed you? Well, that's kind of where I am at right now. And then some beautiful ribbons on this tassel with this cute little flower. Oh, and then she sent me some Distress Oxide sprays. Oh my, I think I might cry. So this is, does it say the colors on the back? There, it's Holy Smokes and Vintage Photo and one other one. Oh, she did ask me if I use this. I do. And look how pretty. Oh my gosh. And papers. Girl, I'm saying. I'm trying not to cry right now. That's what I'm trying not to do on camera. And then she sent me some vintage papers to play with. And a little, a huge paper clip and a little bitty French fry box. Wow. All right, everyone. So please go over and share some love with Lene. She did an amazing job, but I am beyond thankful, and what I ask you to do is go over, share some love, subscribe to her channel. It doesn't cost anything to do that, just a little bit of time, and she's linked below. And Lene, thank you so much. Make sure you guys go and check out all the other people that participate, all the creators. Creating with Joby, thank you for hosting. I'm trying to keep myself together right now. Thank you, Lene. I am overwhelmed. So thanks you guys for watching and for being a part of my community.